get a full throttle. Let's see. Do a little more driving in the snow. See how Mazda likes going up some snowy hills. You know, the past couple of years in the Northeast, we haven't really gotten a ton of snow. But then this year, it's really come back. So yeah, I mean, just in the past few hours, look at all this snow. Just, I mean, a few hours ago, whoa, and all this is falling down from the weight. That's new. Interesting. Let's see, I mean, we can do a little test right here. We're in pretty decent snow. I'm just gonna slowly let off the gas. I'm not even on the gas right now. Now I'm gonna make a left here outside of these tracks that have already been made. Take it very slowly. Just kind of see what kind of slip we get. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Barely moving through pretty deep snow. But yeah, as I was saying, when I got this car, I wasn't really thinking too much about snowy winters, because the Northeast has been pretty mild in the winter lately, but certainly come in handy this winter. And look at this road. See what kind of acceleration we can get. Traction control coming on. It's definitely slipping and sliding a little bit. That was just a little bit of gas, but I mean, definitely enough to get going. Here's a pretty steep portion of the road. Let's get to the steepest part next to this tree over here. Stop. And just slide us a bit of gas. And we're moving. Get a little more. Oh, traction control came on again. What's all that? Looks like someone crashed over here. What the hell is that? I think someone got in an accident within the past like hour. No one even drives on this road. That is weird. But yeah, we're doing pretty well. No problems here. Kind of want to compare this to the Toyota RAV4 that I have. I have a feeling that this actually probably a little bit better because it's lighter. I feel like the RAV would probably stick a little bit more. But man, it's hard to see. It's hard to see the road. Turn around in this driveway up here. Let's do hard on the brakes. Yeah, they're working. Slipping, but they're working. But yeah, there's the tracks. I mean, it looks like we're going through About 2 inches of snow. See how my braking performance is down the hill. It's 20 miles an hour. 20, 18, 16. I mean, it's okay, not great. Okay, coming down pretty steep downhill where we were before, where it appears like someone got into an accident. It really does look like someone got into an accident just now over here. You hit that snow. Which is kind of weird. Everyone drives Range Rovers here. Although people drive like 40 on this road, so it's not that surprising. Do another brake test. Yeah, I mean, I'd say you could probably do 20 on here, no problem. But yep, definitely see how they crashed. That was a little scary. Because if you're on the brakes, you're not gonna be turning much. You definitely gotta stay on the gas. If you get on the brakes and you're turning, that time I actually got a little bit of oversteer, but earlier I was kind of headed for those trees. Let's see, let's get a full throttle. Let's see. Huh. It's interesting, it's like the traction control was turning on and off as that was happening. Like it would come on, slow down the engine, and then come off, the engine would speed up again. Which is interesting. That's definitely one thing that I notice about this car is it has a very, it definitely has an analog feeling, but it also has, I don't know, just it doesn't feel like a car from 2020 in a lot of ways. It feels kind of, you know, more like a car from the 2000s and in the ways that the electronics function, which I feel like is part of Mazda's shtick. Yeah, I mean, I can definitely see how someone hit that snow. Although there's no turn, I don't know how that happened. That's just weird. I mean, I guess it's a bit of a turn. They must have been just like going way too fast. But I mean, I was doing maybe 25 or 30 when I was sliding down towards the bottom of the hill. So, certainly see how that would happen. See some footprints here too, which is interesting. Someone's out and about. Oh, still working in the back, still beeping at me from behind. But I don't know, like maybe if you went hard on the brakes, you could have that happen to you. Yeah, I mean, if I go on the brakes, yeah, I lose some steering. Let's see, is this where that happened? Yeah, right here. I mean, yeah, if you go hard on the brakes, you're gonna lose. You can definitely lose your steering. But yeah, I mean, if you stay on the gas, Maybe I'm not as good a driver as I think I am. Okay, I think that's probably enough fooling around on this road. Definitely got my heart pumping. But yeah, I mean, another thing about this car that I notice is, like, say I turn the wheel all the way to the left and give it a bunch of gas, it'll kind of act like a front wheel drive car for a second, and then you'll kind of feel the rear start to kick in with some oversteer. So it's pretty balanced. I mean, it's not quite like a front wheel drive where you're gonna just kind of understeer, not go anywhere. And it's not, you know, I didn't just like 180 the car as if it were rear wheel drive. Man, I can't believe I almost just hit the mailbox. My car for some content, my car for some content. But yeah, I mean, in that moment, I definitely had to pull myself out of it a bit. 'Cause it's like once you start sliding, once you really start sliding, it's hard to stop. Gotta do something about this. This is crazy. I don't know if I can even get the RAV4 under here. Well, that was exciting. You want to see more scary to me, interesting to you content like that, definitely like and subscribe this video. Definitely want to hit 1,000 subs, probably do a giveaway and maybe buy some upgrades for the car then. So yeah, have a nice day.